Hello everybody, and welcome to this new video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best websites that I visit every day, and believe me, what you're gonna find on these websites is something amazing, a treasure trove of different informations. So, are you interested about hacking? You will find a lot of information on this website that will improve your knowledge. Or are you an artist? You will discover everything about art on this website. Or you love to travel? You can read and watch every day tons of vlogger articles. I will start with Medium. Medium.com. This website is the best one for me, because you can read everything you want anywhere and anytime. It contains an app mobile and a website. You can reach anything you want, anything. You will find a lot of people share with you the secret of their life and how they become success people. So if you search for an inspiration website that gives you ideas, projects, tools, experiences, examples, success story and more, Medium is the best for you. Hacker Noon. These websites are similar to Medium, but with another style that will help you without any doubt. Hacker Noon is something wow, everything you want about programming, sciences, coding, blockchain, languages, self-improvement,
startups, founders, AI, Bitcoin, business, story life, creativity, marketing, machine learning, future and more things.
You will find it here in Hacker Noon. Really, this website is changed a lot of things about me. The Zone. I'm going to say just one sentence about this website. If you are interested about programming and you want to build your knowledge professionally, visit The Zone. Quora. I know that you know Quora, but I want to add it for who don't know it. So Quora is a huge website, a big source of knowledge. Anything you want, anything you find on it, but without discovering or surfing on it. You just put your question and Quora gives you what people says about your question. You can find any answer. For example, are you searching for how to use Google? You will find this topic on Quora, as well as you can find the answer of how to become a millionaire. Warrior Forum. Honestly, this website changed my life totally. You can find on it anything you want to know about earning online and freelancing or passive income, anything you should learn to be a great freelancer. It works like Quora, but with a very high quality about working online.
I hope you like my video, and I will be happy if you click on all button below to give me some motivation to make more video like that.
Goodbye.